Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting in our gateway. Actually, just got completed for the Cybertruck to allow for bidirectional charging. We have Yes Solar with us to kind of walk us through what they did.
So we put in the V3 gateway switch here. And what that allows you to do is isolate power from the grid and from your Cybertruck so you can pack up your house. We've moved all our loads out of our main panel here, moved them into the gateway so they're all backed up. So we've got a comm cable coming from the V3 gateway all the way to our new universal wall connector. Like a regular Tesla connector, but it has the standard charging port and it has that comm link that'll allow it to talk to the gateway.
A couple things. So the install took, I'd say, about a half day. Would you say that's about standard?
Yeah, every house can be a little different, but that seems like a typical.
Other than that, it looks like we're still working on a software update from Tesla, so it's bidirectional is not fully functional at this moment.
Right.
But you guys will be back out to put that, do that software update. Other than that, I mean, the truck is charging just fine at 48 amps, so that's good to go. Anything else that a new owner would need to know before they wrap this up?
If you are thinking about doing this, you won't be able to charge your car from a generator while your house is being backed up, or at all. Also, if you have any loads over 60 amps, keep in mind those loads are not going to be able to be backed up by the car.
Yeah, cool. How long would we expect this, if this truck was fully charged? Let's say it's 100, let's say it's got 100 kilowatts of charge.
Right. It's always going to depend on your use.
Sure.
Any high loads like heat, charging an electric car, obviously, going to drain that capacity faster.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah, absolutely, guys.